Hola! Hello everyone. I'm Dalia. Today we're going to be reading Spring is Here by Taro Gomi. This book is very special to me because it was a gift from my mom when I was 3 years old. This is a little message that she left. I hope you all enjoy. Spring is here. The snow melts. The earth is fresh. The grass sprouts. The flowers bloom. The grass grows. The winds blow. The storms rage. The quiet harvest arrives. The snow falls. The children play. The world is hushed. The world is white. The snow melts. The cat has grown. Spring is here. I hope you enjoyed. Spring is Here by Taro Gomi. Thank you for listening. Until next time, hasta la próxima. Gracias.